Embedded Systems with Professor Glauer, homework 6. What I've done here is I've coded my PIC board to input from the numerical keypad in port C and output through a 5-wire stepper motor. What it's going to do is it's going to take variables from the numerical keypad, such as 80. You can either do positive or negative. That'll be stored in the X value. You can always store the number and then choose another value, positive or negative, store that. It can store up to 10 different variables or values going in either direction, where negative is counterclockwise, positive is clockwise. Because the PIC board only outputs 25 milliamps, I had to use these 4 NPN transistors here with 300 ohm resistors. Here's my schematics diagram. Now I have the output going through port A on ports 1, 2, 3, and 4, not 0 because that's for this analog potentiometer here. So it's going to read binary numbers from 2 to the 0 all the way up until 2 to the first, 2 to the second, third, and fourth. As far as the keypad, in order to read those values, I have 111 outputted on port C so that when you push one of the rows, it's going to make that connection and send that link to the PIC board. We can show a demonstration. Once I push RB0, it's going to go through all the values up to 10 and spin the motor in which direction specified. Here's my code. And we can do one more demonstration here. Okay, so I put in a couple numbers here. And then we can push RB0 for it to scroll through. Negative 60, positive 110. It'll go through 0, then 180, negative 100, 80, negative 50. Thanks for watching my video.